How to speak confidently in front of an audience. Speaking in front of an audience, whether it's one person or a crowd, requires a combination of preparation, confidence, and awareness of key communication techniques. Here's how someone can approach it. 1. Prepare and know your material. To speak effectively, one must be well prepared. Understanding the topic inside and out allows the speaker to feel more confident and less reliant on notes. Practice beforehand, and if possible, rehearse in front of friends or a mirror. 2. Focus on the audience, not yourself. Instead of worrying about how you look or sound, focus on delivering value to the audience. Think about what they need or want to hear, and tailor your message to their interests. This shift in focus reduces anxiety and improves the quality of communication. 3. Start strong. A powerful introduction captures attention and sets the tone for the entire speech. Whether it's an interesting story, a question, or a striking fact, engaging the audience from the beginning is crucial. 4. Maintain eye contact and use body language. Make eye contact to build a connection with the audience. Use open and confident body language, stand tall, use hand gestures naturally, and move with purpose. Non-verbal cues are just as important as the words being spoken. 5. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Articulate your words clearly, and don't rush. Speaking too fast can make it hard for the audience to keep up, while speaking too slowly can lose their attention. A moderate pace helps with clarity and gives the audience time to absorb the information. 6. Pause for effect. Silence can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Pausing after important points gives the audience a moment to reflect and makes the message more impactful. 7. Stay calm and breathe. Nerves are normal, but controlling your breathing helps calm anxiety. Take deep breaths before speaking, and pause to breathe naturally during the speech. This keeps your voice steady and your mind clear. 8. Be yourself. Authenticity is key to connecting with any audience. Don't try to mimic someone else's style. Speak in a way that feels natural to you. Authenticity builds trust and makes the speech more relatable. By following these strategies, anyone can speak confidently and effectively in front of an audience, regardless of the size.